Too slow, Dad. Bye-bye. Where you going, monkey? Bye-bye. Did you dance? Oh, good job. Where are you going to go? Should we go for a walk?
Turn around.
Ooh, you got stuck. Good girl. Come on. Keep going. Come on. Big girl. Oh no, you're stuck. Hold on.